respected OSDs of Sri Guru Ram Rai Education Mission, respected Principal Sir, esteemed teachers, and my dear friends, my sincere greeting to you all. Today, I, Arush Kantura, going to present my thoughts before you on the topic importance of time. Dear friends, there are many things in our life that we can regain after losing them. But time is the most precious asset that once lost can never be brought back. As a beautiful saying goes, time and words must be used wisely because both can never be taken back once they are gone.
She called for urgent global cooperation to protect basic educational rights for children worldwide. Secondly, some national news. In a major crackdown against digital fraud, the Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center blocked 3,718 illegal mobile apps, including unauthorized loan platforms, to further protect citizens from financial scam. Over 15.7 lakh SIM cards and 5.7 lakh IMEI numbers linked to cyber fraud were also deactivated nationwide. To promote international tourism and ease travel access, India added 11 new official entry points for foreign visitors holding e-visa.
Second position we have Sarul Kandari of class 7A from Hawa House. Thank you, sir. Now for the top position we have Anushka of class 7. Winners of activity, imagination and love for their part. We have winners from 3 categories. First we have the winners from the primary section. For the second position we have Anna Rawat and the first position goes to Shivanya Bhandari. Third position Lakshmi. Second position winner is Sia 11 Commerce. And all present here. It's my privilege and pleasure to welcome our highly regarded dignitaries from SDRR Education Mission. Mr. G.S. Tomar, a retired principal from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. Sir has devoted several valuable years of his life to the noble profession and has made a meaningful contribution towards the field of education. At present, Sir is associated with the Education Office of SDRR Education Mission. We are also truly delighted to have with us Dr. R.P. Sid, a distinguished educationist and an experienced academic leader. Sir has started his professional journey with the SDRR Education Mission. During his illustrious career, he has served in several reputed public schools as principal and director. Through these responsibilities, he has played a vital role in maintaining academic excellence, strengthening educational practices.
Of the school, worthy teachers, Honorable Dr. R.P. Singh, and dear students, let me tell you that you all are lucky enough that you are under the guidance of an able administrator and a team of efficient teachers is working behind you. So each one of you should feel yourself blessed. Now, I was observing your morning assembly and felt happy that most of you were participating in the morning assembly with a zeal. As the thought of the day today was that the education does not mean only
download it, work on it, and see your competence and perfection in that. फिर से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ कि जो यहाँ सर और मैम पढ़ा रहे हैं उसके ऊपर पूरी प्रैक्टिस कर लो, कि जिससे कि आपको फिर अलग से जरूरत ना पड़े कि सीजनल पढ़ाई कि जब फेब आएगा तब हम एग्जाम की तैयारी करेंगे या जनवरी आएगा तब हम करेंगे, क्योंकि वट एवर यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग नाउ, प्रैक्टिसिंग इज स्किल. It is going to work a lot during examination since time is very short that time, and then you get in stress, anxiety, depression, lot of things, negative things, then you will start suffering. So the remedy, it starts from here only. You just pick out all those things which I said and practice it on. One thing. Second thing, whatever is going to be taught today, come prepared, my dear. Already just do some research. Since you are in this public school, that is again a very good public school, so usko aap, English is not a problem, go through it, mark it. These are the things which I have to clarify with my teacher, so then you would be moving along with the teacher, right?
Pick one number from your. Pick any number. And show me your number. Number 6. Number 6. Now what you have to do? Just write the number on the blackboard. Take a chalk. Just write there. Yes. Yes. Very good. Now, come here. Take the 6 sticks from here. 6. Okay, let's count. Is that correct? 1. Please help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clap for Adam. Very good, Adam.
आभूषण भी देखे हैं आपने? What do you mean by आभूषण? हाँ जी, गहने. तो गहने, आप कुछ गहनों के नाम बता सकते हैं? कौन कौन से गहने होते हैं? आप लोगों ने, आपकी मम्मी, आपकी सिस्टर लोग गहने, yes, tell me. पायल, yes. Okay. So many types of ornaments. female है ना, लेडीज आपके घर में बहुत सारे टाइप के आप लोग गहने घर में यूज किए जाते हैं. तो इन्हीं आभूषणों के बारे में आज हम पढ़ेंगे. तो कुछ गहने क्या होते हैं, असली भी होते हैं और कुछ नकली भी होते हैं, है ना. क्योंकि कई लोग असली पहन लेते हैं और कई लोग क्या करते हैं, नकली भी गहने पहनते हैं. तो आप लोगों ने देखे होंगे असली और नकली में पहचान अलग होती है, ठीक है ना. तो नकली गहना.
Now count all the petals. सबको क्लीन करना. Now, what is the total number? 4. Very good. Very nice. Yes. See? Clap for Ayaz. Yes. So that means you have to draw one line here. Okay. So आप एक line बनाएंगे. And how many lines you have to draw here? 3. Very good. So 1, 2, and 3. Now you have to count the all. 3, 4. So what time is it to count? 4. Very good. So you have to write in the one space. Okay? So you have to write here 4. Huh? Yes. One digit. That is one digit. Okay? One digit addition. Okay? Now we are.
कब तक वो होता है और ये खुदाई कब समाप्त होती है, जब खड़िया पत्थर आ जाए. और अगर खड़िया पत्थर से नीचे तक खोदना शुरू कर दिया जाए तो फिर क्या होता है, खारा पानी मिल जाता है. खारा पानी यानी समुद्र का पानी, और समुद्र का पानी खारा होता है यानी नमकीन. लेकिन यहाँ पे नमक का पानी अगर मिल गया इसमें तो ये पीने योग्य रहेगा नहीं. क्यों नहीं? खारा पानी बड़ा होता है और इसकी चौड़ाई बहुत बड़ी होती है, और कुएं की चौड़ाई बड़ी नहीं.
तो किसी एटम में अपीयर होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूजन है तो कुछ लोग बैलेंस और ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में सिमिलर है अपीयर. जैसे आप कितने दोस्त बना सकते हो, ये क्या है, बैलेंसिंग. आप 4 दोस्त बनाते हो, 5 बनाते हो, 6 बनाते हो, कोई 2 बनाते हो, ठीक है. कंबाइनिंग कैपेसिटी आप कितने बच्चों के साथ कंबाइन कर पाते हो, वो बैलेंसिंग है, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल HCl, ठीक है. हाइड्रोजन इसके साथ में बंद हुआ एक क्लोरीन के साथ, तो इसकी वैलेंसी होगी +1। ये एक के साथ में बंद हुआ, इसकी वैलेंसी 1। अब अगर हम बात करें चार्जेस को छोड़ के दें, इसकी वैलेंसी 1 है, इसकी वैलेंसी 1 है, ये एक के साथ कंबाइन हुआ है, ये भी एक के साथ कंबाइन हुआ है, ये है वैलेंसी। अब जो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट है वो मैंने क्या बताया, वो है चार्ज जो उस पर है। जैसे अगर आपको कोई फ्रेंड बना और वो जो आपको छोड़ के चला गया, आपको अच्छा भी लग सकता है, बुरा भी लग सकता है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन फ्रेंड कैसा, समझ रहे हो। अगर वो गंदा फ्रेंड है तो जब वो चला जाएगा तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा, तो उस केस में आपको पॉजिटिव चार्ज आएगा। और अगर अच्छा फ्रेंड आपकी लाइफ से चला जाए तो आपको बुरा लगेगा, तब
Clear? The process of translation terminates. Clear? When it reaches to the terminator region, the process of transcription terminates. How it terminates? When the RNA polymerase reaches to the template to the terminator region. Clear? Now when it reaches to terminator region, then another factor came into existence. And what is that factor? Rho factor. With the help of Rho factor, RNA polymerase, it gets separated from the template strands. With the help of sigma factor, it binds to the template strands.
Equals to 2as. Now the value of a is beta a square by 2s. We'll put this value in equation 1. Putting this value in equation 1, the answer W is equals to m into a is b square by 2s, b square by 2 or half mv square. This work gets stored in the form of energy. Now we'll write K W is equals to.
Your chapter name is Mother's Day and it is written by J.P. President. All the गया होगा यानी कि जो मीठे हृदय वाला व्यक्ति है, जिसके हृदय में ना दया है ना किसी के प्रति विनम्रता का भाव है, वो हमेशा जो है कठोर हृदय वाला रहता है, उसे किसी के दुख दर्द का कोई एहसास नहीं होता। तो ऐसा व्यक्ति भी जब उस दो दांतों वाली India, you can say these are outskirts of India, right? This is river Indus. River Indus was flowing from here, and Genghis Khan returned back from this river. Actually, a Prince Jalaluddin Mangwali. ठीक है। ताई को मिट्टू किसने भेज दिया था? गणपत जी ने। ताई के लौटने के बाद मिट्टू कहाँ चला गया था? उड़ गया था। कहाँ उड़ गया था? आसमान में। ताई के प्रयाग से लौटने से पहले क्या अनहोनी हुई? मिट्टू
क्या कर सकते हैं? 1 plus cos theta sin theta। एलसीएम आ गया कितना? sin square theta कितना? 1 plus cos theta whole sin square theta होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला लगा a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2a
ready to buy at a point of time. Different possible quantities at different possible prices. A consumer is ready to buy or purchase at a point of time.
10, 14, 18 and so on. This is a progression 6, 10, 14, 18 and so on. Is this progression is AP or not? Increasing AP or decreasing AP? Decreasing AP. Now what will be the first sum of this series? First sum denoted by small a. This is
experience or through self-analysis, there will be some improvement. The credit goes to the principal because the way he is maintaining the record, the motivation, and looking after all activities of the school shows that mind and soul those are being what utilized. अब वो समय चला गया कि जब हम जो है ना क्लासरूम में बच्चों पे रौब झाड़ते थे कि भाई याद करो और अगर आप नहीं पढ़ पाओगे तो आपको ढीले लगेंगे, ये होगा वो होगा। आपको अपने आप को ऐसी एक्सपर्टीज डेवलप करनी है कि स्टूडेंट गेट्स सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड and you will have to make your class highly engaging. Active learning की बहुत बात करते हैं. So what is active learning? Active learning means each student is. अब वो समय चला गया कि जब हम जो है ना क्लासरूम में बच्चों पे रौब झाड़ते थे कि भाई याद करो और अगर आप नहीं पढ़ पाओगे तो आपको ढीले लगेंगे, ये होगा वो होगा। आपको अपने आप को ऐसी एक्सपर्टीज डेवलप करनी है कि स्टूडेंट गेट्स सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड.
Those domains must be addressed in your objective and also in your outcome. If it is done, testing. For that experience, objectives and outcomes and mastery of whatever is required, if they have far limited resources, you have to plan it, that is what you are planning, and then come and execute. This is one. Second thing, classroom process matters. Some of the things are very good, but small group work and little bigger group work. You have to decide it and create your responsibility. Ownership feeling is not there. ये मेरी क्लास है और मेरे सारे फ्रेंड हैं और मेरे फ्रेंड ये हैं और अच्छे हैं, मेरी क्लास बहुत अच्छी है. एग्जाम्पल के रूप में मैंने कई क्लासेस पूछा, टेल मी वन थिंग अबाउट बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट योर क्लास. व्हाट इज दैट बेस्ट थिंग? इज देयर एनी बेस्ट थिंग? एवरीथिंग इज बेस्ट थिंग. टीचर इज बेस्ट, स्टूडेंट्स आर गुड, स्कूल इज वेरी नाइस, स्कूल इज a big organization, teachers are good, so everything, lot of sports are good. Audit size. That means logical thing. Again,
Dr. R.P. Singh sir and Mr. G.S. Tomar sir, respected principal sir and esteemed teachers. It is my privilege and honor to propose the vote of thanks at the conclusion of this meaningful, enriching teachers meeting. I extend my gratitude to both respected education officers, Tomar sir and Dr. R.P. Singh sir, for their valuable presence and sharing valuable guidance and insight with us. Sir, your presence has added great value and motivated all of us to continue striving for excellence in education. I would also like to express my gratitude to our principal sir, under whose leadership and mentorship our school is scaling the new heights of success. Lastly, I would also like to thank my fellow teachers and staff members whose hard work and dedications